In today's video, we're diving into everything you need to know about a bad purge valve. So, what's the purpose of the purge valve? Well, the purge valve is an essential part of your car's evaporative emission control system. Its job is to stop fuel vapors from escaping into the environment by redirecting them back into the engine. Here's how it works. The purge valve opens to let fuel vapors from the charcoal canister flow into the engine, where they're burned off in the combustion chamber. This helps reduce emissions and increases your miles per gallon. Now, the purge valve is usually found between the fuel tank and the intake manifold. It's controlled by your car's ECU, which tells it when to open, usually at a certain engine temperature and RPM. Now that we know what the purge valve does, let's dive into the common signs of a failing purge valve. The first symptom is the check engine light comes on. While a check engine light can signal many issues, it's often a sign that your purge valve may be going bad. The engine control module continuously monitors the purge valve's performance. If it detects a problem, it triggers relevant fault codes. To help pinpoint the exact problem, you'll often see a diagnostic trouble code. Here are some common OBD2 codes related to a bad purge valve. If you're not sure about what these OBD2 codes mean, you can always visit our website, obdcode.org, where we've got a full list of codes and their explanations. I'll also put a link down below if you need an OBD2 scanner, or you can head to any auto parts store and scan your car for free. The next symptom of bad purge valve is rough idle. If the purge valve sticks open, it allows too much fuel vapor to flow into the engine, creating what's known as a rich condition. This means there's more fuel than air in the combustion process, disrupting the engine's ideal air-fuel ratio. Your car relies on a balanced ratio to run smoothly, so when this balance is off, it can lead to a rough, shaky idle. The third symptom is poor engine performance. Much like with a rough idle, if the purge valve gets stuck open, it disrupts the crucial air-fuel ratio by letting in more fuel than air into the combustion process. This imbalance can lead to a noticeable drop in engine performance, causing your car to feel more sluggish and less responsive than usual. The next common symptom of a faulty purge valve is a hard start, especially after refueling. Here's why. When you fill up your gas tank, the added fuel displaces air and vapors in the tank. If the purge valve is stuck open, these excess fuel vapors will flow straight into the engine, causing an overly rich mixture of fuel and air. This imbalance can lead to a no-start or hard start condition as the engine struggles to ignite with too much fuel and not enough air. The fifth symptom of a faulty purge valve is poor gas mileage. When a purge valve is stuck open, it allows a continuous flow of fuel vapors into the combustion chamber, even when it's not needed. Normally, a properly working purge valve remains closed and only opens when commanded by the ECU. With the valve stuck open, extra fuel vapors are burned off, reducing your miles per gallon. Another symptom of a faulty purge valve is black smoke coming from the exhaust. This happens when a stuck-open purge valve allows excessive fuel vapors to enter the combustion chamber, creating a rich fuel mixture. When too much fuel is burned, it doesn't fully combust, and you end up with black smoke exiting the exhaust pipe.